Now, iPhones are great. They have a bunch of different applications that you can use to edit up Word documents. So I'll go and give you my favorite word processors, Word document editors on your iPhone that you can use that are free for the most part. Some of them you have to pay a subscription for, but I'm not even going to get there until we talk about the free ones. Now, first of all, I think the best free specific, word editor that you can edit a bunch of Word documents within is Google Docs. As long as you have a Google account or a Gmail account or a YouTube account or whatever you're watching this, you probably have a YouTube account. You can, make an account for Google Docs. You don't even make it, you just sign in with your Google account, and it is so nice and amazing. So what this allows you to do is it allows you to create your documents anywhere, anytime, even offline. You can go and work together, so you can have like multiple people like kind of setting up and creating your Word documents for you. You can collaborate in real time. You can edit and share multiple file types. You can create and review documents, and it is cross-platform. So whatever you do inside of your iPhone, you can also access it inside of the Google Docs website, on your PC, on your MacBook, on your Android phone. It's cross-platform, which is really, really nice. So if you're in a pinch and you want to go and have a really good document editor that can edit docx files, doc files, PDF files, so many other things across the board, you can go and access it via Google Docs, and it's one of my most favorite applications out there. Now, on top of that, if you don't want to use that, there's also a built-in Pages application inside of your iPhone as well. Now, you may have deleted it if you just went through and just deleted the applications, but Pages is another really good word editor that you can get access to inside of your file as well. So what this allows you to do is it allows you to edit up your files as well. So this is what it looks like. It's already built in inside of your iPhone, but you can go through and you can download it and you can edit up all your files. You can edit Office files here as well. So this is a really cool document editor. There's a bunch of stuff capable here too. So I'd recommend going through just editing up this one if you want to or find it, because that's another really good option as well. Now the other two options, one, we have Microsoft Word, like the actual Word document editor. So this one is nice because it is the one that Microsoft made. It's unfortunate because I think you do have to pay for it. So it's like the subscription model. If you already have Microsoft 365, you already pay for it, then this should be here. But if not, then you don't really have too many other options here for the most part. So that can be kind of an unfortunate one. And then we have Adobe Acrobat. So this is one that's a little bit easier to use just because it is like a free option kind of. So it is kind of nice to have it here, and you can go through and edit up your documents and files and everything if you want to here too. So this is a really nice one. I would say this one is better than the Microsoft Word one just because you don't really have to pay for it. So you can go through here, kind of edit up again whatever you want to here. And it is another really nice thing. So it is like another really nice thing and a really cool thing that you have the advantage of having here. So those are some of probably the best word processors that you have inside of your iPhone at this moment. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.